Today's topic for discussion is geological time scale. The history of Earth is used for the geological studies and it is divided into eras. The era is based on time and it is known as geological time. The unit of time and era have been shown in the table, and the geological event is followed by some changes of vegetational components, and its stepwise succession is related to the distribution of plant kingdom. The radioactive substances are used in determination of geological ages. The pollen and microflora within one known era may be used in determination of assemblage of unknown microflora. On the basis of similarities, the age can be determined. Next slide. For the convenience of study, the whole of the geologic time scale has been divided into 5 major eras, and that are Archaeozoic era, Proterozoic era, number 3 Paleozoic era, or it is also known as primary era, number 4 Mesozoic era or secondary era, and Cainozoic era. Of the total 5 eras, the first 2 eras are not so important for botanists because the first definite records of plant life can be had in the Cambrian of Paleozoic era. Each of these 5 eras is further subdivided into a number of periods which are again subdivided in their turn and so on until a rock formation is reached, which is regarded as the unit of entire geologic system. Let us see the details of Paleozoic era. During first half of the Paleozoic era, only thallophytes are known. Then changes occurred and life moved from water to land. It is difficult to indicate when exactly the migration of plants from water to land took place. During Silurian and Devonian period, the existence of bryophytes and pteridophytes was observed. During late Paleozoic period, the maximum development of pteridophytes was observed. The Carboniferous and Permian age is known as Coal Age. The first big forests are formed during this period and the giant trees like lycopods become extinct. The existence of tropical and subtropical climates, the formation of gymnosperms observed. The coniferous period is referred as the age of seed fern. During late Carboniferous period, there was great change in environment and so woody floras after death converted into coal. The coal bear beds fossils conifers with lepidodendrites, lycopsites and seed ferns. After the disappearance of large group of pteridophytean plants, a new group of plants came into existence. This is the history of appearance of ginkgo. Ginkgo-like plant, it is a gymnospermic plant. Ginkgo biloba. Let us see details of Mesozoic era. Mesozoic era consists of 3 periods, that is Triassic period, Jurassic period, Cretaceous period, that covering about 120 million years. Triassic period is marked by unfavorable environment for plant growth and so short-sized cycad vegetation shown its appearance. This period is known as Age of Cycads. Though a number of ferns, lycopods and conifers were there, Triassic period shows appearance of large trees like Xylon, etc. Jurassic period explains better preservation and continuance of Cycad age. The flora shows the appearance of Williamsoniella, it is a fossil, and fructifications have been recorded in this period. In Cretaceous period, the environmental condition shows marked changes and the older plants do not survive and vanished. The Jurassic flora is replaced by flowering plants and appearance of temperature genera of the family Salicaceae, Moraceae, Sapindaceae, etc. was noted in this period. Let us see details about Cenozoic era. This era marks the beginning of new life. The majority of flowering plants dominate the era with the subsequent decline of gymnosperms. In this era, there is the formation of high mountain ranges and made climate alternations. This change in climate influenced the vegetation. Majority of Cenozoic angiosperms show deciduous leaves and tree habits. The environment of temperate region gave the predominance of non-woody and herbaceous animals to endure cool climate. In this way, herbaceous angiosperms originated and distributed in Cenozoic era. This is all about geological time scale.